Good morning, everyone. Welcome to EVS class. Do you remember what did we study yesterday? Let's have a quick recap. Yesterday we studied about the family. Group of people, they live together and they are related to one another is called what? Family. It has two types, nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family means what? Small family, parents and their children live in such type of family. Joint family means what? Big family. Grandparents, parents and their children live together in a house. Yesterday we visited to Rohan's house, Sonu's house and Avinav's house. Could you answer me that whose family is this? This is the family of Avinav. Avinav has big family. He has joint family. Now, all of you look at this one. Who is he? He is grandfather. He is a grandfather of whom? Rohan's grandfather. Father's father is known as grandfather. Who is she? She is a grandmother. Grandmothers of Rohan. Father's mother is known as what? Grandmother. He is uncle of Rohan. She is aunt of Rohan. Father's brother is known as uncle. Uncle's wife is known as aunt. All of you look at this one. Mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, brother, uncle, aunt. All of you have understood about them, these relations. Grandparents, parents, brother, sister. Now, all of you look at this chart. Grandfather, grandmother, first generation. In the second generation, uncle, aunt, mother, father. Then in the third generation, cousin, brother and you. Relative of fathers is known as what? Paternal. And relatives of mother are known as maternal. Now all of you know about paternal and maternal. Relatives of father are known as paternal. And relatives of mother are known as what? Maternal. So father's father is known as paternal grandfather. Mother's father is known as maternal grandfather. Father's mother is known as paternal grandmother. And mother's mother is known as maternal grandmother. Father's brother is known as paternal uncle. Mother's brother is known as maternal uncle. Maternal aunt, paternal aunt. Now all of you have understood about paternal and maternal. Paternal means from father end and maternal means from mother end. Now all of you look at this one. Family is very important for us. Whenever we need anything, we take the help of family members. They help us. We are dependent on family members. If we get in trouble, they will help us. They will fight for us. They can do anything for us. So family is very important for us. Family is such thing like this way that family can understand everything. Family can understand our need. Family is everything for us. Family is our whole world. Now all of you look at this one. Mother is taking care of Ronita. She is Ronita and Ronita is not well. Her mother, she is taking care of her. So all of you have understood that what is the importance of mother. Whenever you fall sick, your mothers, they also take care of you, and mothers are so important for us. Mothers are so great. Now see, Ronita's mother, she is helping her in her studies. Mothers are also very good teachers. They help us to study. Now see, Rohan is riding a bicycle and his father, he is guiding him. He is making him to learn how to ride a bicycle. Fathers are also very important for us. They love us so much. They make us learn so many good things. They earn money for us. All of you love your fathers. Now see, Ronita and Rohan, they are so happy. They are dancing. Why? Because their grandfather and grandmother, they have brought gifts for them. So they are very happy. Grandfather and grandmother are so important for us. They love their grandsons and daughters. They bring gifts for them. They are everything for the children. Do you love your grandparents? They can understand our needs without saying that. They can understand that what do we want. So they are very important for us. Now all of you have understood that what are the importances of family members. How are they important for us? And we also learn so many things from our family members. Even whatever we learn in the childhood stage, we learn from where? We learn from whom? We learn from our family members. Respect your elders. Now Ronita is going outside and her father makes her understand that don't go outside. There is the dog days today, so don't go outside. If you go outside, you will fall sick. So study right now and go outside to play in the evening time. But Ronita says like this way, no papa, I will go outside to play. I don't want to be here. I don't want to study. Then her father makes her understand that respect your elders. Respect means you have to follow the instruction of your elders. Whenever you speak in front of your elders, your voice should be low. Don't argue with your parents and wish your parents, and you have to follow all the instructions of your elders, because whatever they say you, they say for your betterment. Right now all of you are children, so you can understand that what is good for you and what is good for you. So these things parents make you learn about them, that what should you do and what shouldn't you do. Now see, Rohan is helping this old lady because his mother made him learn that we should help others, we should help old persons, and when he saw her, he helped her. He helped this old lady to cross the road. So we have learned from where? We have learned from whom these things? We have learned from parents, from elders, that from family members, that we should help others, we should help people. So such type of family values and habits are very important for us. We learn from family members. Now Ronita, Rohan, they are cleaning their houses because their parents, they have made them learn that we should keep ourselves neat and clean. We should keep our surrounding neat and clean. Do you keep your surrounding and houses neat and clean? Yes or no? Actually, what happens, most of the students, they keep their houses clean. The children, they keep their houses clean, but they don't keep their surrounding clean. They throw the garbage on the road, they throw the garbage through the balcony. So it should not be done. We should keep our houses, ourselves and surroundings clean, otherwise that may the cause of illness. So it's very important for us. We should eat meals together with our families because it increases love among family members. We should not tell lies, always tell truth, because whenever you tell a lie, for that lie you have to tell a lie again and again. So speak always truth. We should greet everybody in the morning and evening, night. Whenever you see any elder person, you should greet them. Even for younger people also, you should love them and you should show your respect, affection, love towards them. It doesn't matter that someone is younger to you, then you start to abuse that person. You don't respect that person. You should not do like this way. You have to also show your affection and love towards your youngers. After that they will respect you, otherwise they will also not respect you. So love your younger brothers and sisters. And we should also try to be happy and also keep others happy. This one is very good thing. Don't make unhappy anyone. This one is not good thing, because if you get such type of opportunity to bring a smile of anyone's house, no, nothing is bigger than that one. This is wonderful thing of the world. You will get happiness from the heart. So you should do like this way. You should keep others happy also. So such type of family values and habits are very important for our lives, and we learn from where? From our family members. Now revise once again that what have we studied today. We have studied about the importance of family members, that why are they important for us. We have studied about the family values and habits, that what type of family values and good habits, manners we learn from where? From our family members, from our environment, surrounding. That's why family members are very important for us. Now I am going to ask some questions to you. This one is the activity for you, hot potato, and you have to answer me in the comment section. So let's get started. I will speak a word and then you have to think, and you have to give one word related to that word, and that word should be from this chapter. All of you have understood that how you have to play this activity. So let's get started. First word is family. From my end, answer is love. Now you have to write down in the comment section. Next, joint family, nuclear family, grandfather, mother. Write down in the comment section. And there is one question for you. Father's father is known as, mother's mother is known as what? And now I am going to wrap up the session. Thank you. Have a good one. We will meet tomorrow.